with fat pads attached. Right here is the ovary. That little tiny bead-like thing is the ovary. Okay? Now, oviduct is broken a little bit. It's on my probe right there. That is the oviduct, or fallopian tube, if you will. Here is her uterine horn. Does that make sense? See it? Here's the other uterine horn. The body of the uterus is behind the urethra. And if you pull this back, you'll see where it comes together. Okay? So where one horn meets the other horn, and it's been split. Then urethra on top, the vagina and the cervix, or cervix and vagina, will be posterior. Right here is your urogenital sinus. That's the common passageway. So if I go to one side, I'm going to actually go into her cervix from her vagina. If I'm on top, that is her urethra. You'll see two openings, one for the vagina and one for the urethra. Then both will empty out at the urethral orifice. Okay? Now, broad ligament and round ligament. Can you see my glove? Where my finger is the broad ligament. See my glove underneath? Okay, that's the broad ligament. The round ligament is a slightly darker color, and it's right here. Can you see the round string-like thing?
Can we see it on the surface?
Right there is the round ligament. So broad is the clear stuff. The round is the darker stuff. You see the difference? If you touch it, you can actually feel the difference between the two. Okay? So you've got both a broad and a round. It just depends on how mishandled the cat was. On this side, you don't have much left. I've got the round underneath on top of my finger and under my thumb. That's the round. The broad is on my third finger. Okay? Pretty straightforward. So if we're looking urinary, we know kidney is retroperitoneal. You'll be able to see kidney, and if I lift the kidney up, I should be able to see the ureter. That ureter is going to the bladder. Where it enters is the area known as the trigone. It's going to make a triangle shape. So all you do is pull the bladder, and both ureters will stand up. then look for a calf who's split, and the urethra, which is a straight line, is going to also show up, especially if the pubic bone has been cut. Okay? Let's go.